Hi everyone and welcome back to New Zealand. I thought I would show you our water harvesting structure that we have been building since we arrived here. So as you can see, we've got 4 corners. A fence post has been concreted into the ground, about a metre or so on each corner. And then obviously we've got corrugated iron roofing which collects the water and then comes into, you see here, comes into the guttering, and then we've got the pipe here, the guttering, which collects the water into the barrels. So if I come around here and show you, we've had to protect obviously the side of the barrels because of the cows that come in here. So we've got 4 set up, working at the moment. We will have more in future. So the water comes from the guttering into the first barrel on the left. Once it gets to the first fitting, it then transfers into the second one, and in turn to the third, and then to the fourth. And then obviously when it rises, the fittings at the top then circulate the water around all of the barrels to keep the water fresh. And then, because we're not always here, we've got a tap here, which when we're here is on, and then that runs down the black pipe, down, all the way down. We've dug a trench, so it goes all the way down to the house, and there's a tap there that, so we've got running water. But when we're not here, the tap is off, and then if it fills up, we've got an overflow pipe here that bypasses the tap, comes down into the tube, and then that will run and drain off into the stream, so we're not wasting any water when we're not here. So it was quite cheap to build. The barrels, we got five New Zealand dollars each. The fittings were about $7 to $8 each on each barrel. The tap was about 35 New Zealand dollars, I think. Yeah, and obviously the timber is quite expensive now, but it's working so well. It's definitely worth the layout. Anyway, until next time, bye.